Hello, this video is designed for people who trade on centralized exchanges such as Binance, OKX, KuCoin, MEXC, whatever you name it. And I just want to show you how you can get hacked in 1 second. There is no need to approve anything. There is no need to click anything. You can get hacked and all your wallet, all your funds on Binance can get easily drained. And it's not about Binance, but by someone else. And I'll show you guys how somebody can do it on your Binance account in this live session. In this right now, you'll see it, guys. So right now, you can see, guys, I log into the Binance account. This is Binance.com, right? Official. You can see everything here. Yep, this. Here we go. And here we go. This is my, right? So this is my Binance account that I log in. Um, and how you can get hacked. So basically, when you want to log into Binance, you have to put your password, you have to put your email, and then maybe if you have verification, it will come to like uh, SMS to your phone or some Google Authenticator. But however, this method doesn't require anything. It bypasses everything, and it's not a vulnerability. It's well known. But as a beginner, you might not know, and you might not be careful during the bull market. You know, you might have lots of hope, lots of euphoria, but eventually you are always at this risk. So let me not, make this longer, and I'll just show you. Uh, okay, let me introduce you a bit about the vulnerability. Uh, in your PC, in your laptop, or on your phone, you have some programs, you have some applications running in, you have some software. So the software can access anything on your device. Technically, if you approve it or if you don't approve it, they might just, if it's like if it's some virus, it might bypass, right? Because you can see it always those hacks. So yeah, it can be bypassed. Um, the thing is, they can see your Binance too. They can see your Google. They can see um, whatever websites you visited, your browser information. Let's say your Instagram, your Twitter. But what they get from this? Maybe they get your Twitter. Maybe they'll tweet something. Maybe they get your Facebook. They tweet some. They post something on Facebook, something stupid, or message your relatives asking for money. But accessing your Binance is much more precious, right? Because Binance is money. You can get the money directly. And I'll show you guys, first of all, how they can hack your Binance and then how they can withdraw the funds without you being able to know about it. Right. The first thing is it's about this software that can access your PC, everything, and you can see these extensions that we have. You might not be aware of. You might have some ad blocker. You might have some different extensions for some reason. For example, like MetaMask or something. But for this case, I'll show you this specific extension called Cookie Editor. Basically, this extension sees all these cookies, and we can go through, for example, here, we can go through. So what does it do? It can see all these cookies. Any extension actually sees it, but they don't just show that they can see cookies. But any extension can be programmed to see your cookies. So here we click on it. What we can do is we can export the cookie as a JSON, and then let's say we go to private here, and then we go to Binance.com, right? This is a private window. This is a private window at all. Doesn't, you can see here it says login and stuff. You can click here. You can click import. You can paste it and import. That's it. We just imported our cookies. And now we can just refresh the page. Oops. Right? You can see that, right? Um, we just, yeah, we just access Binance. That's it. Here we go. I'm just logged in. There is no pop-up on my phone. There's no email saying somebody logged into my Binance, and this can be done from any IP. If somebody logins from America, somebody logins from China, doesn't matter really. Can be anything. So yeah, this is the way, and the same method works for any any exchange. It works for OKX too. It can work for anything. But how do you save yourself from this kind of hack? So whenever you work on something, of course, this can access your Binance, right? The cookies, and they can log in. The hacker potentially can log in. But the best thing you can do is just log out. So, okay, let me show you again, guys. Right here, I export here, and then I go here to the Binance. So the cookies are clean again. I have to click here again, right? But let me first, before importing, let me just let me just log out. Yep, so I just logged out, right? And now let me try to input cookies here. Yeah, like this. Okay, done. Now I refresh the page, and it doesn't work, right? Because you can see, guys, the cookies are expired. Yeah, it doesn't work. That's it, guys. That's the way to, save yourself from many hacks, right? Um, so you might say, oh, by the way, yeah. So I just showed you how to prevent this, and whenever you work on Binance on your desktop, just yeah, click logout, and you'll be fine. But how do you save yourself? Wait. So let's say the hacker joins your Binance. Now, what they can do? They can't really withdraw your money, right? They can't just take USDT or USDC or Bitcoins and just withdraw because there will be email and notifications. But what they can do is, do you remember, guys, that when you trade Bitcoin or whatever the currency is, you don't need to do anything. You just put the order and done. There's no need to verify anything, right? There's no need to put your password again. There's no need to like um, SMS, whatever, right? So what hacker can do is they can go to really illiquid coins, really like coins that are not trading much. They can buy themselves in advance, and then they can put the orders, sell orders, and then through your account they can pump it and then sell it on their account on their side. So this way they will not be caught because this is usual buy and sell. They will not be arrested for it. Or what they can do is they can go to, for example, Binance NFTs somewhere. Let me just Google. But this is the best way actually for them to utilize it. What they can do is they can go to Binance NFT and they can just so the hacker can put some NFT for like 10 Ethereum, let's say, or like 400 USD, and he will buy it from your account. That's it. Literally, it's done, guys. Same applies for OKX, KuCoin, whatever you name it. MEXC, whatever you name it. So, guys, really be careful. I mean, there have been many cases where like Coinbase got hacked, the Binance got hacked, and the support will not help you because it's not their fault. It's just buy and sell. So it's better to stay safe than being sorry, right? And always make sure, guys, um, make like don't keep on exchanges something that you can't afford to lose because exchange might go bankrupt itself. Right now in bull market, not much, but in the bear market, and anything can happen, right? Especially with these lawsuits, like legal operations, legal papers. Yeah, so I hope you guys be really careful. If you did know about this and if you appreciate this advice, I appreciate your follow and let me know in the comments what you've been thinking or what you want to learn about, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.